Aeon, who is that?
Trixie Lululemon.
Lululemon, yeah. Aeon, who are you talking to?
Trey.
Who's Trey?
Why do you have to put everything on video? Everything that you do is on video.
Because I can.
Why though?
Because I can.
You're gonna put it on YouTube like you always do?
Because I can.
Yeah.
Sagan.
Cool. Your money is in your case.
That's for my mom.
Hello, Kitty.
Is that your
I dressed her up.
Yours, yours?
Aeon, you're teaching Sagan.
Are they yours?
No.
Excuse you.
Yeah.
You went to Build-A-Bear?
Hey,
Yeah.
don't put it back in. Eat it. No, you eat that.
They had a Build-A-Bear whenever we're in
Yeah,
the mall.
that one's yours.
I got this one. I got this Hello Kitty.
How much are they?
You're a punk.
Huh? How much are these?
Build-A-Bears?
Yeah.
Somewhere between 20 and 40 bucks.
Oh.
It depends what all you do. There's a price for just the skin of it, and then you pay to stuff it, do this, that. So.
I know a lot of people just stuff it and then they add stuff to it, like clothes and stuff.
Yeah, you can put a sound card, well, a sound button anywhere you want inside of it. Say again. Can you move that tent out of the way, Aeon?
I was about to say, I can move it.
Put Meme's headphones up.
Huh?
Grandpa Rodney will be here in a few minutes.
Sagan wanders over here, gets up on the table, and says, "Mine," as he reaches his hand in.
He's
She's been doing this for a while, so Sagan just came in with that monkey, comes in, throws it at Trey, and then walks away.
I didn't even notice that he's being buried in stuffed animals.
Hey!
Yeah, so I'm doing this week.
See this? He's just making himself welcome. No, don't put it back in after you eaten a bite.
That's what things are good at.
I don't catch him till he's got it in his mouth, and then when I get onto him, he's like, he tries to put it back in.
I don't want it anymore.
No, it's a, you didn't see anything.
Mascucci.
I don't know.
Amy, what is this?
It's a Tamagotchi.
I don't know what that is.
Nikki would be ashamed of you. Nikki!
This is off that show, right?
Yes.
Lady from Lady and the Tramp.
How many is there left?
Probably still a decent amount, sadly.
Wee. Penguin.
I like the penguin. I like the penguin stingray. Hello. Look at that. That's like.
Candy.
I remember when she was making this one.
I named it Candy. Candy.
Sagan likes to have you hold that above his head like it's a hat. except the thing is, it's as big as he is. So you need someone to hold it on top of his head.
This thing is almost bigger than he is.
When you hold it from the top and have the bottom of the legs touch the ground, it is the same height as Sagan.
Real? No. That Will is probably bigger than he is, though.
It's candy.
Oh, well, yeah.
Candy.
Sagan, come here. Measure. Sagan. Sagan. Like, hold up the octopus next to Sagan. See? Same height.
Is that all of them?
No. It's not.
She's really trying to tell them all. You want to throw that dolphin over here?
The time. Hello Kitty backpack. Hello Kitty backpack.
Hello, Kitty. Oh, sorry. You alright?
You okay, Seiji? That one's actually Sagan's.
This is Sagan's?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Nikki and I sat there and were like, just adoring that thing for a good 10 minutes. And then Walmart employee came by and was like, he's like, you know, could just give it to the kid as a Christmas present. We're like, right,
It's
Christmas
a
present.
waterhead.
For what?
Something like that.
It's a Lala Lucy and it has water in its head.
Why?
I got it back up.
Sagan.
He is strong.
He is a punk.
I can't even use my other hand. Look at that.
Octavia! For my little friend.
Which one is this? For my other one?
Octavia, apparently.
I can't keep up with the name.
Food. I'm going on noise. Food. Kitty.
How many kitties is this?
4.
Including Hello Kitty?
Yes.
Is that all of them?
Actually 5. See? 1, 2.
You're not going to find it.
I do 5.
Are you done now, Miss Aeon?
There's only one more.
She says.
Hmm? What'd you say?
Said there's only one more, and I said she says.
There's 2
We're
more.
ready.
There's 2 more.
Wait, I saw a few more.
Told you. Sagan, don't.
What?
No.
I'm scared. What is it?
Tiny.
No, Sagan. Give it to me.
Tiny.
What is it?
The dinosaur.
What? Oh.
As far as I knew, it had stuff in it. And considering he keeps coming in here with things and throwing them on me or you, I'm like, oh no.